Hello everyone. In our previous class, we completed our first 10 question of ranking test, and today we will start our next question. We will see the question. Among four persons, B is taller than C, A is taller than D, but not as tall as C. Who among them is the tallest? Okay. So this type of questions is based on the heights, weights, and all. Okay. So let us start with our first statement, that is B is taller than C. See here, B is taller than C. So this side all are tallers and this side shorters. Okay. B is taller than C. A is taller than D. That A is not related to these two now. So write this, that A in a different manner. A is taller than D. A is taller than D. But not as tall as C. But not as tall as C means A is not as tall as C. Means A will come here and followed by D. Because A is taller than D. So A is taller than D. This full group will come and attach here. Okay. So this is our required arrangement now. What is our question? Who among them is the tallest? Who among them is the tallest? This side all are tallest and this side all are shortest. Okay. So now according to our arrangement, who is tallest now? That is B. So our answer is B. B is tallest among the four. Okay. Coming to next question. Among M, N, P, R, and D, each having different height. T is taller than D. T is taller than D, but shorter than M. But shorter than M means T is shorter than M. So T is shorter than M. R is taller than N, but shorter than D. Means R is shorter than D. R is shorter than D, but and R is taller than N. R is taller than N. So this is our required arrangement now. Question is, who among them is the tallest? So our answer is M. M is the tallest among the five. Okay. Now coming to next question. Mohan is older than Prabir. Mohan is older than Prabir. Mohan is older than Prabir. This side all are older ones and this side all are younger ones. Okay. Suresh is younger than Prabir. Suresh is younger than Prabir. Okay, Prabir is here and Suresh is here. Mihir is older than Suresh. Mihir is older than Suresh. See here. Mihir is older than Suresh. So still we don't know. Mihir will come here, here, or it may be here also. Okay. But we don't know. We know only Mihir is older than Suresh. Mihir Suresh kinu dodda vidano nushte gottu. But iವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ Mihir ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಧಾನೋ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಧಾನೋ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next statement. But younger than Prabir means Mihir is younger than Prabir. Mihir is younger than Prabir. So see here, this statement and this statement. See the arrangement. So our final arrangement is Mohan is older than Prabir. Prabir is older than Mihir. Mihir is older than Suresh. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 persons are there and we got all the arrangement here. Mohan, Prabir, Mihir and Suresh. What is our question? Who among the 4 is the youngest? They are asking now youngest. Okay. Youngest means Suresh. Our answer is Suresh here. Coming to next question. M is older than R, Q is younger than R and N is not as old as M. Who among M, R, Q and N is the oldest? See here, M is older than R. M is older than R. Q is younger than R. Q is younger than R and N. Q is younger than R as well as N. Okay. N is not as old as M. N is not as old as M. So now this is our required mapping, required the arrangement. Who among M, R, Q and N is the oldest? So see here, N is smaller than M is given here. N is not as old as M. Okay. So M is the older one and N is the younger one. Comparing M and N. So this is our required. They are not asking you the relation between the R and N. Okay. We don't bother about R and N now. The only question is who is the oldest. So our answer is M. M is the oldest. Don't think about R and N now. The only question is who is the oldest. Our answer is M here. Okay. Now coming to next question. A is older than B and C. A is older than B and C. Okay. A is older than B and C. D is older than B. D is older than, D is older than B. Okay. So make one more arrangement here. D is older than B. D is older than B, but younger than E. But younger than means D is younger than E. D is younger than E. C is older than E. C is older than E. C is older than E. Now we are getting here three charts. By combining all these, we have to make only one arrangement, that is here. A is older than B. They given in the first statement. And C. Then E is younger than C. E is younger than C. So this element we can write directly there. Wait. D is older than B, but younger than E. D is younger than, D is older than B. D is older than B. Okay, our final arrangement is first we will write A and then C. This arrangement we will get continue now. C and then E and then B and then B. Okay, this is our arrangement. Initially, first statement only they told you A is older than B and C. Okay, B and C. It is not compulsory that B should come after A only. Okay. A ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ B ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು A, B ಮತ್ತು C ಕಿನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ. So this is our required arrangement now. What is our question? Who among them is the oldest? Our answer is A. A is the oldest. Next, coming to 16th question. Ajit is fatter than Ranjit, who is thinner than Bhushan. Okay. So Ajit is fatter than Ranjit. Who is thinner than Bhushan? Means Ranjit is thinner than Bhushan. Ranjit is thinner than Bhushan. Mohan is thinner than Ajit. Mohan is thinner than Ajit. One more. Mohan is thinner than Ajit, but fatter than Bhushan. But Mohan is fatter than Bhushan. Two other men are fatter than Ajit. So this is our given statements arrangement. Our final arrangement is here. Two other men are the fatter than Ajit. Okay. Here one person and here also one person. Here Ajit will come and then Mohan and then Bhushan and then Ranjit. This is our required arrangement now. Question is, who is thinnest? Our answer is Ranjit. Ranjit is the thinnest. Okay. Coming to next question. Among P, Q, R, S and T, S is older than R. S is older than R. S is older than R, but not as old as T. But means yes. S is not as old as T. Not old as T. Q is older than only P. This statement is very important. Q is older than only P. Only P. Andra Q kino ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ P, Q, remaining all are shorter than Q. So this is our required arrangement. Then our question is, who among them is the youngest? Youngest is R. R is the younger one. Now coming to 18th question. State B is better than state C but not as good as state A. Which is worse than state E? State G is not as old as state E but not as bad as state A. How many states are better than state G? So how to solve this? See here. State B is better than state C. Okay, state B is better than C but not as good as state A. But under B is not as good as state A. Which is worse than state E? Which is worse than state E means A is worse than state E. It means comparing to A, state E is good. State E. State G is not as good as state E, but and not as bad as state A. State G is not as good as state G and not as bad as A. So this is our required arrangement now. Our question is, how many states are better than G? State G. State G kino ಎಷ್ಟು better over. So our answer is 1. G kino only E ಇಷ್ಟೇ better over, ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ G kino worst over. Next. Only 1. Next, coming to 19th question. Among P, Q, R, S and T, Q is younger than only S and R. Q is younger than only S and R. This only is very important here. Okay? Q is younger than only S and R. Q is younger than only S and R. Okay, so remaining all are Q is younger than only S and R. ಉಳಿಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ Q ಕಿನೋ ಸಣ್ಣವರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. And older than T, and older than T means Q is older than T. Q is older than T. Who among them is the oldest? Who among them is the oldest? Q is younger than only S and R and older than T. Who among them is the oldest? Who among them is the oldest? So our answer is yes or R. Okay, our answer is yes or R. If this is not given in your options, then your answer will be data inadequate. Means the given data is insufficient. Okay, data inadequate means the given data is insufficient. Given information is insufficient. Okay, our answer, your option is yes or R. Or else, if it is not given, then data inadequate. Data inadequate. These two you ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎರಡರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ 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 ಎಲ್ಸ್ data inadequate. Okay, next coming to 28th question, that is last question. Geeta is senior to Shilpa. Geeta is senior to Shilpa but not to Deepa. Means Geeta is not senior to Deepa. Gayatri is junior to Deepa. Gayatri is junior to Deepa. Means Deepa is here, Gayatri is here. Gayatri is junior to Deepa. No one is senior to Fatima. No one is senior to Fatima. Means Fatima is the senior one. Who is the most junior? Is there any answer? Who is the most junior? See here, students. Our second statement is Gayatri is junior to Deepa. Okay, Gayatri is junior to Deepa. But they not given you Gayatri is junior than Geeta, Gayatri is junior than Shilpa, or Gayatri is senior than Geeta. Nothing they given. So it may be Gayatri will come here, or else she will come here, or else she will come in the next place. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಇದಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೀಪಾನ್ಕಿನೋ ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಗೀತಾನ್ಕಿನೋ ಸಣ್ಣವರು, ಶಿಲ್ಪಾನ್ಕಿನೋ ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಇನ್ಅಡಿಕ್ವೇಟ್. Data inadequate. Our answer is this. So this completes your ranking test chapter. We will come with the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.